Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new chapter. In this chapter, I'm going to teach you about the structure mapping. A lot of people already know about the structure direction that market momentum is a bullish and bearish. When market creating higher high, that means the market direction is a bullish. And same thing applicable in a bearish market. If market momentum creating lower low, that means momentum is a bearish. But problem is here to identification of the structure. So how we can identify them? I will explain. I will teach you all about the structure mapping step by step. If market creating higher high, so how we can identify them. If market creating lower low, so how we can identify them. First thing you need to understand, when you are looking for the structure mapping, then always you have to start from top of the move and bottom of move. If market momentum is a bearish and now turn into bullish, so in this case we can see here this is our low. It means the before this move market was bearish and now turn into bullish. So it means this is our direction that market looking for the upside. So how we can identify the structure? Firstly, market going higher high. This is our higher high. Push downside and market break this high without any another structure, right? So this is a higher high again creating higher high. At this point we can see here market break this higher low is here. So what is this? This point become our inducement, okay, which I will cover in the next chapter. But in this chapter, we are just learning about the higher high and higher low. What is the structure? Simply, you need to identify our simple structure here. Again, market going higher high. This is our next higher high is a confirm here. So if anything happen between this high and this low, so this one is a called internal structure here. Okay. So again, what happened? Market push downside. In a internally, we can see here market momentum is a bearish. So in internally, market momentum is a bearish, but external we can say a major structure is a bullish. So how we can mark the structure? Simply you have to focus on major structure. Minor structure we use for the short term for the buy and sell, which I will cover in next upcoming chapter. But right now you have to focus on structure, how we can mark them. So this is a higher high, again push downside, break the structure here. This point become higher high is here and this is a higher low. So if anything happened between this one, so this one is a called internal structure. Right here, taking out the liquidity, push upside and take a pullback and we can plan for the buy. And same thing applicable here, market break the structure here, again going higher high. This is our next higher high, push downside, higher low is here, another higher high is here, and this lows are broken and this low act like a inducement. Market push downside and again going higher high, this is a higher low, break the structure, again going higher high and higher high, again push higher. At this point we can see here this is our inducement, right? But this inducement only applicable if market push higher, and then what happen, break the structure, at least this one, take a pullback and going higher high. It means market looking for continuation. But right now we can see here after taking out this low, again going higher high but not able to break the recent high, and again push downside. It means the momentum has been changed bullish to bearish, and now we can expect that market looking for the reversal in a downside. And same thing happen here, market create new lower lows, lower high, and after that push downside, new lower lows and break this one. And once market break this one, so this point become our lower high, but this lower high only confirm after break the previous low structure here like this one. So this is a confirm here. It means this is our inducement, push downside, again create lower lows, lower high, push downside, market looking for continuation. So right now we have a area, this lower high and this is a lower low. So if anything happen between this one, so this one is called internal structure. In a internally, market looking for the continuation in a bullish trend, but in a major trend, we can see here market momentum is a bearish. Internally, the market create higher high, higher low, higher high, taking out this low, again going higher high, take a pullback. This one is called higher high and higher low, again going higher high and again going higher high, and finally market taking out the major structure, shifted into bearish structure here. Once market shifted bearish structure, taken out the inducement, and we can plan for the sell like this one. So this move happen here in a bullish market, in bearish market, in a major structure and minor structure, everywhere. Simply you need to wait for it to create a normal structure and wait for taking out the inducement for the buy and sell. But you have to focus on simple structure to confirm a higher high and lower lows. Let me show you on chart, then you can understand more better what I'm trying to explain here. In this case, we can see here market momentum is a bullish and creating higher high is here. So where is the previous recent higher high is here, right? And market break the previous one and again market take a pullback and again create a new structure here. So basically where is our higher high and higher low is here. So this is our previous higher high is here, and this point become our higher low, and this point become another higher high, and this point become another higher low, right? It means market looking for continuation. Again, you have to wait for it to create one more pullback is here. Which one is a create here? So what is this one? This is another higher high is here, and what is this one? This is a higher high and new higher low. Break the structure right here. Mean the market looking for continuation and market just following simple structure here, right? Again, what happened after this one? Let's see. Market take a small pullback is here, and one more time is here. Market just trying to go higher. At this point, we can see one more time is here. Market break the high is here, and this point become our new higher high is here, and this point become our higher low. We can see here clearly that market following simple structure here. Market creating just higher high, okay? And between this one, we can see here one more thing is here. This is our small pullback. Again going higher high is here, right? Take it one more pullback is here. Again pushing higher high. And then what happened? This is a small structure happened here. So if anything happened between this one, so this one is called internal structure, right? We can see here market was bullish, and now market again trying to higher and lower and higher and internally, okay? So this is called internal structure, right? So let's see what happened next after this one. Market take one more pullback is here, and after taking one more pullback, we can confirm this is a higher high is here. Once market create a violent pullback, we can confirm this is our higher high. Again, market break the previous high is here. This one is called one more higher high, and this point become our higher low. It means you need to follow a simple structure here, right? And let's see what happened next after this one. One more time is here, market give one more higher high is here as a higher low, and this one is our next market break this structure here and confirm market going upside like this one. And in this case, we can see here market create one more pullback is, look at this one. In terms of the candlestick formation, this is a small pullback and going higher high. So we can confirm this one is a one more pullback is like this one and this one, right? And we can confirm this one. And this was a minor or major. Of course, this is a major, not a minor, because this is our major higher high is here, okay? It doesn't matter. This can be a one candle and two candle and maybe multiple candles, right? So this is one more higher high is here, and let's see what happened next after this one, right? Market just trying to push downside, and one more time market create new structure here. And where is the structure? This is one more higher high is, and this is a higher low is here. And let's see what happened next after this one. Market again going higher high is here, and when market break this high is here, just with the liquidity, right? Which I will cover in next upcoming chapter. Market create new higher high is here. At this point, higher low is here, and next higher high is here. And again, let's see what happened next after this one. Market break this one. If market break this one, so this one is our new higher low is here, right or not? Of course, this one is a not higher low is a confirm here. Why? Because market momentum is a bullish and market can be go higher. If market break this one, so this low act like a inducement, right? Because of the structure moving something like this one and break this one, this is called inducement. Take a pullback and we can plan for the buy to the upside, right? So we can't mark this as a high low right now. You have to wait for it to break this one, either break the previous high, okay? If market break the previous low, so we can confirm that market looking for the reversal in a downside, because market not able to go higher in a first time. Same thing happen here. Market break this one at this point. When market break this one, it means market not able to push higher. Market just create a new lower lows here like this one, okay? So this exactly happen here like this one, right? So if anything happen like this one, simply you have to wait for it to create new structure here to confirm new lower low. So this is our previous lower low and lower high, and let's see what happened next one. Market just pushing downside aggressively and wait for new structure here. This one is our new lower low is here, and let's see what happened next. And right now we can see here the range between the previous high low is here. This is our previous lower low is here, and this is our lower high is here. So if anything happened between this one, this is called internal structure, right? Look at this one. This is our structure, is our internally. So if anything happened between this one, that's called internal right here. Simply you need to wait for it to create a structure. Then we can confirm that which side market is going on, like continuation or looking for reversal. So in this case, market just push downside. So why this market push downside? Look at this one, pushing higher high, take a pullback, and again going something like this one. One more thing is happen here like this. So this is our internal structure happen something like this one. Okay. So if anything happen like this one, so we can plan for the buy and sell for the short term, not for the longer. Huh? So this is our major structure and this is our minor structure. Between this high and low, this one is called internal structure, or you can say minor structure right here. Break this one and let's see what happened next. After this one, market again break this one right here, and this is our new lower low is here and lower high is here. Again market push downside or not. Okay, finally market break this low again right here. It means this is our new lower low and new lower high, push downside, new lower low, and market turn in again bullish. It means market momentum was bearish and now again turn into bullish. But in a first attempt, this can be failed. Why? Because this high act like inducement because of the move like this one. This is our pullback like this one and taken out this inducement and market can be pushed downside. So this one is a not confirmed. Maybe this can be inducement and this can be structure shifted here. So let's see what happened next after this one. Look at this. This high act like a inducement. So market went down. So if market went down, this one is our next two. This is our lower high. Again push downside. And let's see what happened next after this one. Again market create a new lower low is here. This one is a lower high. Again market break this structure here and confirm that market looking for continuation. So this process will be continue in a major structure, in a minor structure. So I hope you learned that how you need to mark the structure in a bullish trend and bearish trend, and where is the major structure and minor structure. So this is a process to identification of the trend direction is a bullish and bearish. In the next upcoming chapter, I will teach you about the inducement and liquidity, where you will get more detailed idea about the structure mapping and liquidity and inducement to identification of the continuation and reversal. So I hope you enjoyed the entire episode, and if you did not understand anything, simply you can watch this chapter multiple times and very sure that this chapter will help you a lot to identification of the structure. Once everything is clear step by step, then you need to move on next topic. Okay. So in this chapter enough for the day, and I will see you in the next chapter. Happy trading.